Hi everyone, I'm Akila. In this video, let us see how to write EOMonth function in Power BI. I have loaded the order date from the fact internet sales table into this table. My requirement is to find out the due date, the maximum due date of an order. That is 1 month. So whenever an order is placed on 21st January, the respective maximum due date to delivery this order is 28th of February 2030. So if it is 22nd February, and the respective following month last date is my maximum due date. So if we get that maximum due date, I may use EOMonth function. So let me rename this column name as maximum due date equals to EOMonth function, which will take two parameters: the start date on which you want to apply this calculation of respective months and the number of months. This number of months can be negative or positive. We'll see how it goes. The start date based on the requirement, but in our current requirement, it is only following month last date, right? So I'll give positive number one. So we'll see other scenario as well. Order date, comma, number of months is 1. Enter. So let me add this maximum due date. And the default EOMonth return type is date and time. The time is default 12 a.m. So I can update my column to give only the date. Because order date, I'm not passing any time, right? So this one. So I'm getting my end of month for respective with respect to positive 1 month. If I want 2 or something, I can make it 2 as well. But make sure that the number of months should be a valid date. If it is an invalid date, it will throw an error. For example, the maximum date calendar limit is 999 year, right? So you should not exceed that number. See, it is jumping to March 31st, right? So what happens if I get -1? See, EOMonth is not only to calculate the next month last date, it also be used to calculate the previous month's last date. So 31st 12th 2012. Even in this case, this negative number should give us a valid date. It should not lead less than 1900 year. Otherwise, it will throw in error. Hope this is useful. Thank you.